Are you looking for the best portable pressure washer? In this video we will show 5 best portable pressure washer. We'll explore its key features, performance and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Electric Pressure Washer 4500 psi. 2.8 GPM electric power washer with 35-foot power cord, for different nozzles, soap cannon for car, garden, yard, house. Brand, Decock Tool. Power source, cord electric. Color, green. Maximum pressure, 4,500 pound per square inch. Item weight, 15.01 pounds. Powerful pressure cleaner. Decock Tool electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool with 4,500 psi and a powerful 1500 W motor that delivers outstanding cleaning power for large surfaces and tough stains. It is the perfect partner for cleaning tasks. Convenient to use, this pressure washer comes with a 35-foot power cord to ensure that the user has range of motion during the cleaning process, eliminating the need for frequent towing to complete the cleaning. Bringing the ultimate in customer convenience. Make it easy for customers to use the machine. For different nozzle and soap cannon. This electric power washer comes with 4 different quick connect nozzles and a 450 milliliter soap cannon for cleaning tasks in different conditions, thus increasing cleaning efficiency. Total stop system. High pressure washer has a total stop system feature that automatically shuts down the power washer's electric powered when the trigger is no longer working and only restarts the machine when the wrench is pressed. Number 2. Electric pressure washer 5000 psi. 3.6 GPM power washer touchscreen adjustable, pressure 4 nozzles and 500 milliliters foam cannon power washer cleaning for patio. Brand, Lahau Tool. Power source, AC. Color, yellow. Item weight, 15 pounds. Hose length, 20 feet. Wand length, 31.5 inches. Powerful 5000 psi max pressure washer. Compared with others, the maximum pressure of our smart washing machine can reach 5000 psi. Powerful 1800 watt universal motor generates max 5000 psi water pressure at 3.6 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Our electric pressure washers are ideal for quickly and easily removing dirt, such as cleaning decks, terraces, driveways, siding, sheds, cars, outdoor power equipment, and so on. TOUCHSCREN pressure cleaner. Considering into more intelligence, our R&D team has upgraded the washing machine uses a touchscreen. It provides 3 gears, soft, medium, and strong. Easily uses plus or minus buttons to control different levels of pressure. We also provide a soap bottle and 4 different nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees. You can adjust to the pressure you want according to your needs to complete any cleaning work. Telescopic aluminum handle. We have also upgraded the handle to make it be more humane. The new handle adopts a retractable aluminum handle, which can be adjusted according to the height of the user and is suitable for all kinds of people. In addition, 2 large wheels will also help you carry and transport easily. The 16.3-foot long cable and 20-foot long hose can reach anywhere, such as courtyards, streets, balconies, garages, etc. Telescopic aluminum handle. We have also upgraded the handle to make it be more humane. The new handle adopts a retractable aluminum handle, which can be adjusted according to the height of the user and is suitable for all kinds of people. In addition, 2 large wheels will also help you carry and transport easily. The 16.3-foot long cable and 20-foot long hose can reach anywhere, such as courtyards, streets, balconies, garages, etc. Number 3. AIVOLT electric pressure washer. Anti-tipping power washer surge pressure 4800 psi, with 36-foot cable and 25-foot hose, 4 nozzles. Soap tank, high-pressure cleaner machine for car washing, house, garden. Brand, AIVOLT. Power source, AC. Color, black and orange. Maximum pressure, 2,400 pound per square inch. Item weight, 18 pounds. Hose length, 7.6 meters. Tank volume, 1 liters. Maximum flow rate, 1.76 gallons per minute. Wand length, 34.6 inches. Powerful and efficient washing pressure. AIVOLT pressure washer delivers professional-grade 2,400 psi for home cleaning needs, with lab-tested surge pressure reaching 4,800 psi. Equipped with a high-performance 1650W motor, 8,850 RPM, it maintains consistent powerful pressure even during extended use. The 1.76 GPM water flow ensures optimal balance between high pressure and water efficiency, making it ideal for cars, houses, gardens, driveways, patios, and outdoor furniture. Stable mobility system. Low center of gravity and square frame design can effectively prevent tipping over on uneven ground. For 360 degrees pivoting wheels allow it flexibly move along with you after gentle tug. The extended 25 feet high-pressure hose and 36-foot power cord provide ample range for outdoor cleaning. Safety features. The integrated GFCI provides instant leakage protection. Auto Shut-Off Trigger Safety System, TSS, protects the pump from dry running damage. IPX5 waterproof body effectively prevents water ingress problems. Dual safety locks, Trigger Lock Plus will brake, ensure secure operation, especially be friendly for homes with kids or pets. Number 4. Westinghouse WPX2300e Electric Pressure Washer. 2100 max PSI 1.76 max GPM with foam cannon, for cars/fences/driveways/homes/patios. Brand, Westinghouse. Power source, AC. Color, black. Maximum pressure, 2,100 pound per square inch. Item weight, 17 pounds. Hose length, 20 feet. Maximum flow rate, 1.76 gallons per minute. Powerful performance, max 2,100 psi and max 1.76 GPM of powerful. Deep cleaning water pressure perfect for decks, sidewalks. Siding, fences, railings, garage floors, exterior walls, cars and patio furniture, comes with a soap applicator accessory. Durable design. Powerful AC 120V electric motor, long-lasting, maintenance-free axial pump with auto-stop provides a max of 1.76 gallons of water a minute. User-friendly and compact, solid construction with low 26 profile, 5-inch never flat wheels and 35-foot GFCI cord provides easy transportation and maneuverability. Comes ready to clean 20-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose with lightweight high-pressure spray gun and wand and 2 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees. Performance and peace of mind. All Westinghouse pressure washers are functionally tested in the factory and are backed by our 2-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support, backed by our nationwide Westinghouse service network. Versatile design, compatible with pressure washer accessories such as surface cleaners, undercarriage cleaners, and foam cannons with M22 fittings. Number 5. Ontel Turbojet Hydro X5 Pro. Portable cordless pressure washer. 21V 3000 mAh battery, 6-in-1 nozzle, dual water source, 16 feet detachable hose. Brand, Ontel. Power source, battery powered. Color, blue. Maximum pressure, 350 pound per square inch. Item weight, 3.63 kilograms. Hose length, 16 feet. Tank volume, 3,000 milliliters. Cordless power, powerful clean. Turbojet Hydro X5 Pro cordless pressure washer delivers up to 350 psi of force, 21V battery, packing 5x the power of a standard garden hose star. Helps clean muddy bikes, tough dirt on tools, patio, and stains effortlessly. 6-in-1 multifunction spray nozzle for versatile cleaning. Switch between 6 spray patterns, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, fan, and shower, delivering the power and precision for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks effortlessly with this portable washer. Dual water source flexibility. For professional, travel, and home use, our water intake system supports both garden hose connection and siphon mode. Built-in filter lets you draw water from any bucket, pool, or lake, making boat-to-window cleaning easy. Soap and foam dispenser. Update your truck and car wash routine with the included soap bottle and foam cannon. This portable pressure washer with foam gun helps you combat stubborn dirt on cars, windows, siding, steps, and decks. Long runtime for total freedom, powered by a durable 21V 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, This pressure washer lets you clean anywhere, no power cords needed. From long driveways to boats and backyards, enjoy extended runtime and hassle-free mobility. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.